traes, luego yo te pido me lo traes, traes. No te pido el cielo que lo hagas, sino tu amor. Todo me lo traes, traes, luego yo te pido me lo traes, traes. No te pido el cielo que lo hagas, sino tu amor.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is a 22-inch 360 frontal unit from China, lacewigs.com. Let me show you the parting space. Probably about 6 inches, and then in the back you get about 3 inches of. The one thing that I'm kind of noticing right now that I have applied it to my head, the lace itself is darker than my skin tone. So I probably should have tinted the lace, but I didn't realize that it was going to be this dark until I applied it. So that was solely my fault. I did ask for a light brown lace, but to me this looks like a medium brown lace. Also, the straps that they have in the back is meant so you could put your unit up in a high ponytail without gluing it down, but the straps itself is really dark, so you're able to see the straps through the lace. And it's not just them, it's all companies do this. I want them to perhaps, but sort of like a nude color. It's a beautiful copper color. This color is similar to Adore Cajun Spice, and it is a 200 density unit. Really nice thick unit. It did come with curls in there. Once I washed the unit, they were no longer there. So as you can see, after I washed it and I let it air dry before I combed it out, it was like a wavy texture. So I really love this unit. It's a ombre. The unit itself is really soft. No tangling whatsoever. But the hair looks like it needs some type of sheen. So I'm just going to add some oil sheen. It just needs a little bit. Once you spray it, run your hands through it or brush it through. This is the amount of shedding that I received once I washed the unit. I'll be sure to include a clip of me putting this unit on and all the steps that I did to get this wig to look the way it's looking right now. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.
En busca de un amor que no sabe lo que quiere, no, no. En busca de un amor que se perdió. Si quieres la verdad, ve y búscame y me llevas. No te desesperes, no más. Quieres tú lo que quiero yo. Tú todo me lo traes, traes. Luego yo te pido me lo traes, traes. No te pido el cielo que lo hagas, sino tu amor. Todo me lo traes, traes, luego yo te pido me lo traes, traes. No te pido el cielo que lo hagas, sino tu amor.
To install this 360 lace frontal, I'm going to be using the Invisible styling gel by Got To Be Glue Gel. I'm also going to be using the Blasting Free Spray. Listen, None of these products are, in my opinion, none of these products are better than the other. It's all a personal choice of what you prefer. Alright, so some people will tell you that these are bad for your hair. They're all bad. They're all bad in its own way. To me, it's just like pick your poison of whichever one you prefer. They all have chemicals, so of course they're probably not good for our hair. Some people, they sweat a lot, so they'll prefer the glue. The glue do give you a longer hold time. Doesn't necessarily mean that it's good for your hair. You have to either go to a professional to have it removed properly if you're not sure, or you have to buy the correct products in order to remove the glue. A lot of people will complain about this taking their hair out. Once you feel that separation with the wig and your skin, you need to remove it. You need to wash it off and you need to reapply it if you want to keep it in. When you remove it, you want to let the water sit on your hair until you feel it separate all together. Then you want to wash it out. They're all bad. Even the elastic band method, that's bad as well, because that's bad in some ways, because you do have tension around your hairline. So, you know, some people will tell you, well, this one is better or that one is, yeah, it's better for them. Doesn't necessarily mean that it'll be better for you. So you have to go with what is best for you. Now for the back, I'm going to do the same thing. And I've already informed you guys in my past videos, for the hair on my neck, I shave it. If you don't want to shave the hair on your neck, you can use some of the gel or any holding spray and just brush it all up to make it look neat back there.
En busca de un amor que no sabe lo que quiere, no, no. En busca de un amor que se perdió. Si quieres la verdad.
Lay the back down, you want to hold your head forward. That is going to stretch the skin. So when you start moving your hair from side to side, back and forth, you won't feel the tightness.
Todo me lo traes, traes, solo yo te pido me lo traes, traes. No te pido el cielo que lo hagas, sino tu amor.
Same thing as with the front, you're going to use your mirrors. I have a mirror right here that I've attached, and I'm going to use this mirror, and I'm just going to go around the nape. I'm going to check to see if anything is lifting. Spray, blow dry, same drill. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys what I do. I feel and I look. See right there, it's lifting back here. I'm going to take the spray, but you're not going to hold the nozzle all the way down. You just want a little bit. If you don't feel comfortable using the spray back there to go around and check the edges, make sure your fingers are not sticky. Spray a little bit on your finger and use your finger to dab in that area. Spray it on your finger. Now the only reason why I say make sure your fingers aren't sticky, because even though this is supposed to dry clear, if you have too much stickiness and you touch your skin, you will see it looks a little bit cloudy. Any residue on the side, we're going to clean it up with some alcohol. And I'll be right back to show you guys.